microwave this full can of spray paint.
Alright, get over here close to the thing so you're not catching all of this.
Today we're going to microwave
This can of spray paint.
little cans of spray paint or food coloring.
A can of spray paint.
Little cans of spray paint. Okay. Put them in. You got red, yellow,
Where's the spray paint?
green, and blue.
Where's the spray paint?
Full
Full can of spray paint. Full can of spray paint too.
Okay.
How long have you put it in for?
Maybe a minute?
Yeah. I'm gonna step back. Okay, so get this in here. I wonder it'll be a mess. Is it good? Oh!
One exploded. What color was it?
Red!
The red one exploded. It's leaking.
Oh,
my goodness. Oh my goodness. One more, huh? Or did two of them go at once?
Two of them go, three of them go at once.
Oh, yucca duck. Okay, now.
Let's, wait, let me step
Hold
back.
Hold on.
Get ready. Hey, open that back. Hey, open it.
Be careful. Step back.
Oh my lord.
Look at that smoke.
Look at my microwave.
Yuck.
Look what you done.
It's a mess.
Look at that.
Was it a good idea to microwave that?
Spray paint? Yes.
Okay.
Can I clean this up?
In a minute. Let's end the show.
This is it gonna be a microwave? This, I'm gonna special system. I gotta clean this up.
I'm the cameraman.
Alright, so I have to clean this up.
Okay.
Okay.
The end.
Hey, let's use